Hi, good evening, Manju here, and welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So here in this video, I'm going to show you the query, SQL query, how to write in SQL Oracle, that is how to fetch the three maximum salary records. Okay, three highest salary records you want to fetch here in descending pattern. So this is very important question in asking Oracle SQL in ETL testing interview question. Okay, so if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and like my video if you really like it. And we go through the series of queries and ETL testing interview questions and Oracle and ETL project architecture, and so many lot of things are there to learn here in my channel in future videos. And also I cover Informatica in future videos. So let's move to the SQL developer. Here I am using SQL developer with Oracle 11g, the database. So this is what my table here. You can see here, select star from employees. This is my table. These are the my records. So right click here and click on count rows. You will have 107 rows here. So I want to write here query to fetch the three highest salaries I want to display here. Okay, already in my previous video I shown you about the how to fetch the maximum salary. So you want to fetch here three maximum salaries, okay, in descending pattern. So go for this query and I write here the SQL query here. Okay, so select distinct salary from table name employees, consider this as even. Okay, where condition apply here, where 3 is greater than equal to, within parenthesis subquery starts here, select count of distinct salary. Okay, so here from employees table name employees E2, consider this as E2. Again where condition, where E1 dot salary is less than or equal to E2 dot salary, and here you can close this, and here you can order by E1 dot salary DESC. So this is what the query completes here. Okay, you can see here, select distinct salary. We want to select distinct salary from employees, consider this as E1 alias where 3 is greater than equal to. Okay, first when you execute this query, this one is will get executed here. So what it does here, from employees table E2, it goes for condition where E1 dot salary is less than or equal to E2 dot salary. It makes some comparisons here. Then it counts distinct salary and select it and display it. This output, inner query output, will interact with this outer query. Okay, so here it will display your result in a descending order where it use order by clause. Okay, just press Ctrl Enter and you will get the result here. You can observe the things here. So you can see here the first maximum salaries appear first, second one 17,000 and third one is 14,000. So this is what the query goes like this. So first it will get executed inner query and this output is interact with the outer query. This is where it condition applies to order by E1 dot salary in descending pattern. So this is what the query here, and this is very important in interview perspective. Okay, so because interviewer may ask you these questions, most askable question this one. Okay, so you understand the logic behind this and you will get perfect. And still lot more queries are there and a lot more concepts are there. So one by one we'll go through these videos. Okay, so suddenly if I show you all the queries in one video, so you will get confused. So for that purpose I am showing only one query in one video, max of two queries. Okay, so learn the queries, how to write the queries, This is very important, and already in my previous video I shown you what is the standard of SQL order. Okay, you just go through that, and also the execution pattern of SQL queries. So because if you perfect in the order of SQL and execution of SQL queries, standard queries, then you will be able to uh, write any queries. Okay, any queries, if interviewer ask, you can able to write any queries. Okay, so for example, I already show you the order of SQL query. That is what the thing is: select and distinct from, then where, then group by, having, and order by. So this is what the standard order of SQL writing SQL query. Okay, so this is what this it is followed. Okay, for execution, while executing the query, consider this query only, inner query. While executing, it will not go through serially from select here. Okay, first it starts from employees table, then it goes to where clause. If any conditions is there, it will check for the conditions. So after this checking this condition, then it will move to uh, count of this one, and then it select the result, and it is gone for order by this one. Okay, like this it moves the standard pattern here. So for this purpose you have to learn these basic things. Okay, so this is what the thing here, and if you have any doubt here, you can comment me in comment box, and so if you want like me my video, like it and share my video, and kindly subscribe to my video, because the things are like that. If you subscribe and like my video, that's really best motivational thing for me to make more videos on this regard. So I wish you all the best for any type of interviews you are attempting. Thank you very much. Thank you, and we will meet you next video with next query or next ETL concept. Till that, bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.